Annette. This is Carol with Chet's Termite and Pest Management. So this is what your little station looks like. It's a little bug bar. Frank said he put them on the front windowsill outside, so he said you can't miss it. So this is what you need to do is first, there's a little hole in the top right here, but I'd probably just open it up. So hang on a sec while I open it. All right, so now it's open. So this is what I do. Take that toothpick or something similar to that, dip it into your bait, then go along wherever your ant issue is, and excuse our dirty counter here, this is where our coffee station is. You just want to take a little, tiny little dot, and I'm talking tiny, and then put those in the area where the ants are trailing, and they will definitely come. You need quite a few placements, so just continue to do little bitty placements and do them low, because this stuff will run. Not really bad, it'll harden in a few days, but sometimes it'll run if it's really warm in the house or if there's a lot of humidity. So keep your placements pretty close to each other, keep them low, and that should help you out in the meantime. If it doesn't, please call me back, let me know, and we'll get Frank out there to meet you guys whenever you're available. All right, and then whenever you get finished, just throw out your device. You can close this up and actually reuse it, because there's enough bait in here that you can reuse it again. And you can store these in like a Ziploc bag in case you need it again. All right, hope that was helpful. Have a great day. Bye-bye.